In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate copying a file in Google Drive while keeping all those important comments intact. Plus, we'll go over some key limitations to keep in mind. Whether you're working with Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, keeping track of comments and suggestions can be crucial for collaboration and maintaining context in your projects. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about how you can easily duplicate a file and retain those comments if you're using Google's native formats. This process is surprisingly straightforward, thanks to a built-in option that Google offers. Begin by opening the file you wish to duplicate. Once you have it open, you'll need to look for the File option in the menu bar at the top of your page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the option labeled Make a Copy. This will prompt a new dialog box to pop up. Now here's the important part. Within this dialog box, you'll see a checkbox with the option to Copy Comments and Suggestions. Make sure to tick that box. It's like telling Drive, "Hey, I want all the comments and suggestions to come along for the ride." After that, choose the destination folder where you want your new file to live. Simply give your copied file a new name and hit OK. It's as easy as that. Your brand new file should now open with all the original comments intact, along with any suggestions or revisions if those were present in the original document. However, there are some essential limitations that you should be aware of. This nifty feature only works with Google's native formats, so that's solely Docs, Sheets, and Slides. That means if you're working with a non-Google file format, like a PDF or a Microsoft Word document, and you attempt to make a copy, the comments may not make it over to the new file. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that if you are using the Google Apps Script or API and calling the Make Copy function to duplicate a file, comments won't be included by default. So, if automation is part of your workflow, keep this little nugget in mind. It might require a bit more manual intervention to ensure those comments are part of the picture if you're operating outside of Google's built-in interface. There you have it, an easy way to maintain all the important discourse in your Google Drive documents when making duplicates. Remember, while this method is seamless for Google native files, keep a lookout for those few limitations. By doing so, you can ensure that all parts of your collaborative efforts remain intact and nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Hopefully, this makes your document management that much more efficient and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!